Hello everyone, welcome to the new video tutorial of Flutter series. Today we are going to learn about AppBar and how to design AppBar in Flutter. In an earlier video we already saw that what the stateful and stateless widgets are. So let's move ahead and see what the AppBar in application means. Just assume this is your phone screen, Android, iPhone or web application screen. In a top bar, we'll design the app bar in the top of the screen of your phone. Here, we put something like this here. In Flutter, here in a left corner there was a back button or drawer button. It usually comes in Android in earlier days when we were coding Android in a Kotlin or Java. It will show here. It will remain here in a Flutter but a different way. Here the space after the screen. Here the space is reserved for the title, and the another things come here is the action button. It's here. So what I want to say is that in the left side of the screen of the app bar is reserved for the icon which is called as a leading icon in a Flutter, like a back arrow. Let me explain it more. This is the black arrow, right? It will come to the left bar, and here it comes to a title. You can put the title of the screen like hello or something else like that. And the another thing, and another side, the right side of the screen comes. If you put the icon, it's called the action icon. You will understand more once we write a code and see the live example. So don't worry if you don't understand. Let's go to the code and understand. That helps you to understand more. This is the code which we already done in the last tutorial. So let's move forward. Here one more thing I noticed. I have to say that this code is along with our last video, and what we did is run apps. Here we call the material app in the run app, and then call our class which is manually defined by us. So you can also call material app here too and pass the scaffold view under that, and directly you can call here is directly. This will also work if you do. If we made something, if we in an upcoming video when we do something in a code, so I will explain this too. So what we talked about in the left side of the app bar is known as a leading icon. So just let me write it here. Declare the leading icon here. For declare the leading icon, you have to write a leading. Give a comma. As you click enter, it will come automatically here. Now we have to pass the icons here. Which icon you want to display, you can declare here like this. Sorry, there's a misspell I had done. Here, icon setting. And here the setting icons comes. It will display on our app bar. When we run, you can take a look there too. You can also provide the heights of leadings if you want to set the height of the icons like this, height with our icons here like this. We can do later if we want. It's not needed for us right now. Title is also declared here with a style, and here is style too, so no need to worry about that much. Now it's time to show how the action button. Let's run the app first and make you understand that what I'm talking about and what the leading icon do in our code. For run the application, I just run the com wave and not run it. And here is the output of our code. You can see clearly. Here is the leading icons come to the left side of the app bar. Here the title which is in center because we declared that send title is center true. And here is nothing. It's action bar. When we declare anything action icons and action things in the app bar, it will come here automatically. Means right side of the app bar, and it will begin to the right side of the app bar. So let's just take a look by go to code again and write some code for it that make sure that where is come and try to understand and make you understand more. First clear this all sheets. Not look fine. So what we have to write it here as an action. We have to declare the action. For declaring action icons, we have to write an action here, action, and here you can see action options are available, and you can see there is a bracelet. There is a bracelet which is usually come in array or a list that shows that the multiple entry can be comes here. For this now that means you can easily say usually pass the lot of icons here that show on your screen, depend on the size of the screen and the room available there. So what we are going to do is display the button icons, because the buttons can click. If we display the icons only, it cannot be clicked by here. So we have to declare buttons, because if we put anything in app bar, it must be clickable. There is something to do with that. That's why we place the icon. That is a standard format of making a application. So let's put the icon buttons here. Icon, just write it icon with a capital I, and then you can press the control and space that enables the options that are available there. Here it is. Sorry, here it is. And you can see here's the two options. You have on press means you have to pass a function. You can do what you want while on press call. So declare a function. You can simply do this. That is the way how we declare the function here. Open and close the braces, and then again. That means the things you write here will perform while click on icon buttons. And for icons, we have to pass icon for it. And what icon should we pass? We can pass anything that we want. It depend up to you what you want to show here. Like we can pass the call icons here. That's perfect for now, because I'm doing it just to try to make you understand that how this works. So let's see the output what is come. Here is the option. Actually we always use the run button or debug button it's uninstall the application on a desired device and then install it again. But hotstar only help you to make a change which is modified by the last build to the current build. Means if you have performed any changes, it will automatically comes here this hotstar without reinstalling it. And here you can see, as you can see, after writing code, it will not display anything here. But if you focus more and take a cursor here, it will show something here for which is clickable. That means the debug tag hiding that the icon. So let us now we can put the padding here that make it visible for us. For use the padding, just need to click here and wait, and this and click on padding. That will apply the padding on it. We can elaborate these things more later, like what is it and how can you adding more padding in a specific side, like left side need to be 10 and something like that. We will discuss it later in this video. After this video in upcoming class, it will going too long, and so I'm just trying to make it short as I can. Put it 10 for now. Just take a look this is visible or not, and run it using hot reload rather than run. Hot reload help you to modify change bring so quickly in your output device. And now you can say it will literally be visible, but we need to provide the more padding that will enable more padding, so it will visible here more clearly. Let's go back to the code, click it here, apply 30 and run it again with a hot reload. And see, as we put the padding all over that icon, means 30 to the top, 30 to the bottom, 30 to the right, 30 to the left, so it will again should look ugly. We will take a look how it's solved. Now we need to put the padding only from the right side 30. So there is option, you can take a look here from the TRB, which means left put 0, top put 0, right put 30, and bottom will be 0. That will work for us in this condition. And you can see what the output are here. It's clearly visible for us. Padding applying only on the right side of the icon, and it looks so good for now. Now what we have to do, we can put as many as icon we want. For that you just need to do one thing, copy that things from the chart under the icon button and paste it as many times as we want. we are doing something that very fishy thing. We can put whole thing from here because we need to do something like that, or we can do one more thing. Just copy this from here and paste it all over we want, as many times as we want. There's something that error, let me solve it. Now it is solved, and you can see there is a 4 icon we placed. Let's change the icon for all. Like here we can put the settings if you want. You can put alarm, you can put anything. I'm just trying to make you understand and put the thing that the icons I remember I put it here to make you understand just. And for here we can do something like it's not look good. The first let me run it and see what the result are. And see there's something that there's a 3 icons already here. Actually the 4 here it's already hidden, and the first icon we placed here and give a 30 padding on the right side. It comes here, that's why there is a space you can see easily. We can learn about in the next lecture of this tutorial how to remove this debug tag. That's very important for us. Not looking like a actual bar, that's not a standard quality app bar. So what we have to do is, let's remove these icons from here. I'm talking about this icon. Let's remove it from here and put the back arrow button here, which seems like a standard one, and remove this title from here and put it here. That's what we have to do. We are going to do that, make a more clear vision of this app bar and how it's work. For it, first let me remove all these marks from the screen. That will be easy to understand and read, make code readable for you. First, it's very easy. We have to delete from the centers and change that icon with the back button, and we just have to do put the arrow back, which is icon. You can see the icons here, and let's run it and see what the result is displayed. And here it displayed the right thing. There is a back button which is not clickable for now, but it will make clickable by helping. As you can see here, we directly put the leading icons. We have to set the on click options here. That will make it's clickable for us. And see there is a title, as long as the title want put here, but as I'm running in a web application which is almost on a computer. But if you're making an application in a mobile phone, if you use any physical device for take a look at how it works, or any emulator, an Android emulator, the screen not width as same. There is a very short width of the screen that look more professional. Does not look as a professional Android application. But believe me, if you try this code in a physical device or in an Android emulator, it will looks like a charm. As we were talking earlier about the padding, what's the age insert and all mean? All means the number you provide will apply in all side of that widget. Means if you apply the padding in an image or text view and set age inserts all, means each side, left, right, bottom and top will remain the same padding as 8 for now, as it declare 8 here. So let's see what the other options are. For TRB, that means you have to declare a specific amount of paddings you want on each side of the widgets. Negative, left, top, right and bottom. We'll take a look these two in later of the video. That will make you understand in the very easy way. For now in this video tutorial is enough, and as it's very long, so let's end this video here, and keep supporting us by watching a video, comments, likes and share it with my friends. Thanks for watching.